How to fix KurtzPel crashing issue on Windows. 1. Switch to the EU server. Type zone code equals live publish code equals EU into KurtzPel's launch options. 2. Unblock program in your antivirus software. Hint, you may locate the chasewin64 shipping.exe at c:/program files, x86, /steam apps /common /KurtzPel /the chase /binaries /win64 /3. Run the above mentioned chase.exe as administrator. 4. Verify game files in Steam. 5. Update game patches. 6. Uninstall then reinstall the game. Like this.